Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333. I'm here with Teddy Bear and with Polganene. Different name is Pete, right? Polganene. Polganene. I always love the different names that they give me because then I go look them up, see if I can find anything. So anyway, I'm going to be connecting with this tree today to see what messages Polganene has for us. It is a female. So give me one moment. If you guys are interested in tarot card readings, I have another channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, and an Etsy shop for personal readings down in the description box below. So give me one moment here while I connect again. Hello. Do you have a message? Yes. What is it? A sorrowful predominant thought that pervades your mind is equivalent to what a broken bone does to the body. It is a shock to the system. It is a hurt that needs to be healed. You would not break a bone and ignore it. You would heal it. You would treat it. You would be tender with it. So just as you would with a broken bone, heal it, love it, be tenderful, so too you must do this with yourselves, with your mind, with your spirits, and with your body. Understand that the broken bone can be seen in this reality as evidence. Your only evidence is what you feel, what you experience. As these thoughts arise, so your power lies within the same. Your feelings, your thoughts, and controlling of them, navigating of them, shifting them. This is the time to master this, to master yourselves. This tool which lies within you is like no other. There is nothing more powerful than you. You must stand in this truth and begin knowing the power that lies within you. The power of your heart alone is exponential. Play with this. Play with your thoughts and feelings. Be aware of them. So as a sorrowful memory or experience permeates your being. How can you shift this feeling? Only you know what works for you. You are your own master.